Have you ever been randomly blasted in the face with a handful of dirt? Yeah, neither have I. Thankfully, Chris here, he picked himself up an easy sink. Smart, Chris. Real smart.
What's up, guys? This is Danny with Easy Industries, and I am back on the channel. Thanks again, Jesse, for having us back. I'm here today to talk about our new and improved Easy Sink model compared to our old one. And then we also have a brand new mounting system for Tacomas and any kind of truck bed that's on the market today. So let's go ahead and get right into the video, and we'll explain a little bit more in detail about how the unit is in comparison to the old one. The old unit actually isn't here today, so sorry about that, but it's actually a rounder model, and just by first look, you can tell that this unit is a lot smaller in diameter, and on top of that, it actually has a new and improved soap dispenser that comes with the unit, and then it has all the same features from the last one. But what we like personally about this unit is it's a lot smaller, and it actually holds a little bit more water than the old unit. So this one has a 5.4 gallon water capacity. The other one has a 5 gallon flat. So it's nice, and it's a lot more compact for people that are off-roading or people that like to camp, or you know, overlanders and stuff like that. So with that being said, this unit right here is on sale right now. I know Black Friday is coming to an end and Cyber Monday, but we're actually going to be continuing the sale all the way through to the new year. So at checkout, we're going to include an additional rechargeable battery at checkout, which is great. It's $20 on the website right now, so you get that free at checkout. And this rechargeable battery unit is USB compatible, so you just plug it in right here. You plug it into your charging port, and then right here it'll have a blue or red LED display. The red LED display means that the unit's still charging, and then once it's blue, that means it's good to go. And this battery right here, typically you can get about 9 to 10 buckets full before you have to recharge the unit. So that's roughly 50 gallons depending on how much use you get out of your sink itself. And then this just snaps right back into place, and then this battery just clips in and it turns down, and then you're ready to go back in action. It's a really easy unit. You just literally click the button and water comes straight out of the unit like this. And then it also has a 6-foot expandable hose, and it comes with attachments as well, so that way you can kind of keep it off to the side of your unit, away from your campsite. We've gotten a lot of good feedback from the off-road camping community because it's a lot smaller unit and you can kind of pack it better inside of your vehicle. So with that being said, that is the unit. And this right here is the bed mount system right here. We'll show you right here what it's about. Typically, I always suggest people that mount it right in this direction, or right on this spot where the Tacoma is right here. All right, you guys, so now that we're back at the garage, we're gonna go ahead and now actually install the mounting bracket, so that way we can go ahead and travel with our Easy Sink with ease, without, you know, worrying about it falling over. It's going to be a super simple process to actually install this. I just want to go ahead and show you guys just in case someone does have a question on how to do it. As Danny said, you can install this onto almost any bed of a truck. I'm installing it, of course, on my 2020 Tacoma, but it's going to be a similar process on any that you do. You can actually choose where to put it. You can put it around here. This is where Danny was recommending to do it. And put it up here. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and put it about here, so that way I can follow this top line and make sure it's straight. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do as far as tools is you're going to want to go ahead and get a 1/8 drill bit to go ahead and drill out a pilot hole. And then as far as for tools, you're going to need a size 8mm socket, nothing too hard. And that's about it. The mounting bracket, of course, is this right here. And you get your two actual tie down points, which I'll show you how to put those on. And you're going to go ahead and get 3 of the actual screws that are going to screw into the bed. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys. So now that you guys are up close, basically what I need to do is kind of line it up and see where I'm going to want it, of course. I'm going to go ahead and put it probably around here. As I stated, I wanted to go ahead and measure out with this top section here, so I make sure it's straight. So I'm going to go ahead and get my drill bit.
and drill out the first hole. So now that I've drilled out my pilot holes, which I'm going to be using to actually put the screws through, I'm going to go ahead and now get my bracket, kind of line up the holes. I'm probably going to do the first screw just to make sure it holds on right there. As I stated, in this section here, you just need a size 8 socket, and that's what's going to go ahead and drill it in. So I make sure it goes in nice and straight. So let me put these other two. Now that I got my bracket positioned, the screws somewhat screwed in, now you can go ahead and tighten them down. Remember, the bed is made out of composite, so you probably don't want to tighten it like crazy, but it is good. It's nice and solid now. Now you want to go ahead and get your actual tie down points, which are these right here. You're going to notice on them, it does have a spring here, and they do work like this, as you could tell. They go up and down. So the reason why is because you want to go ahead and start off by pushing it in just like that. So it exposes this section here. You're going to go ahead and insert it into one of the holes. Find a spot where you're going to want to mount it. I'm going to put mine probably around here. Once you found the spot, now you can go ahead and set it, and as you can tell, it ain't going to go anywhere. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'll go ahead and find the spot all the way around there. I'm going to twist it, and now it's locked into place. So I'm going to go ahead and now put the easy sink here, and I'll show you guys how it mounts on. So now that you've actually mounted the bracket, you got your shackles right there now, nice and secure. So now you want to go ahead and get your bungee cord that did come provided. Of course, if you end up wanting to purchase this easy sink, check out the description box below. It's going to be linked right there. So get your bungee cord. I'm going to go ahead and now hook it onto one of the shackles. Let's slide in the easy sink. Nice and simple. Like I said, there's nothing hard about this. And then now let's go ahead and tie the other side down. Now that you have your bungee cord nice and secure, you're good to go. And then if you do feel like maybe it is going to fall, you can always put another bungee cord onto it and secure it into place as well. Of course, now it's in its secure position. Now you could go ahead and go out camping or anything like that. Go ahead and get the provided little mounting point that does come with it. Of course, you stick it on to the paint. Doesn't damage it at all, so don't worry about that. And then you go ahead and secure it down. And it's that simple, you guys. Now you have your running water right here. If you do have like an SUV or something like that, you could probably put it on the roof, shower, or just kind of place it on a higher position of the truck, maybe like the windows or something like that. You go ahead and shower. If you don't want to do it for that, you can always use it for just to washing your hands, dishes, anything like that. That's the cool thing about the Easy Sink. It's super versatile. And then it is battery powered, so you don't have to worry about ever pumping it or anything like that to apply pressure. The pressure comes with the battery powered. And then once again, as we showed in the beginning, it does also come with a built-in soap dispensary, which is also very helpful with many other things. So go check it out. Check out their Instagram, and you guys can see a little bit more as well. Really quick, I forgot to mention this. I just want to show you guys, this is the one that's before. So as you can tell, as Danny was stating in the beginning of the video, it's a lot more round, and when you do have it in the bed of the truck, it does kind of roll around. I'm not going to lie. It's still a good product overall, but it does roll around a little. So you got to really secure it. So now with this more of a square boxed shape that they came out with, now it's a lot more secure, and you can tell it just looks good overall. It looks like a really nice, well-built product. So if you want it, as I had stated, check out the description box below. See you guys next time. So if you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.